During one of the Nordic's darkest and coldest months, Copenhagen harbour streets, buildings and squares were lit by different lighting events and light installations. Here is my best pick compilations from Copenhagen's first Light Festival 2018. You should definitely begin with one of the guided tours that this festival has to offer, either by walking, bike, or by the boat. Make sure you pre-book it because it tends to sold out on weekends. I chose the cozy option so that I can lean back, relax in the heated boat and enjoy the city and Copenhagen's Light Festival from the water. It will give you a good glance of most of the light installations from water. Now, if you are ready to walk around in cold, here is the itinerary that you should follow the next. Number 2. Honoring a Master of Light. Number 3. Visual Silence. Number 4. Door by the city of Helsingborg. After opening the door, you'll see some digital smoke, followed by a glimpse of another world. Occasionally, this image will switch to a live feed with people from another city. Number 5. Help. Number 6. Wavescape. You can create a great listening show for yourself by putting your own favorite song on your smartphone. We tried it with one of the Bhangra number. Number 7. Balloon Forest. Number 8, and my personal favorite, The Wave. It consists of 40 4-meter tall triangular interactive gates. You can walk in and out to experience a delightful musical show. I hope you enjoyed this flashback. And now it's time to visit Copenhagen Light Festival 2019.